famous, well-known, creative, innovative, unique and popular educational channel. To watch more creative videos on Flask with ReactJS. Flask is Python framework, it is backend tool, and ReactJS is the front-end tool. All of you know it. As we have gone through two videos on Flask with ReactJS. First one was Flask connection with ReactJS. Next was Flask with ReactJS. Today we are going to see a nice video, a really creative and innovative video, that is Flask with ReactJS login authentication. So I will explain in brief login authentication with Flask and ReactJS. So we'll go through the Python file. So here I will be using, you require function, firstly you require function are imported from installed Flask JWT extension, this JWT extension. Then Flask instance is configured with JWT secret key. Flask instance is configured with JWT secret key. If logins are incorrect, then the screen will be blank, and if the login is successful, then the screen will login. It will ask for username and password here. If I will press test, then it will login. If I give wrong password and username instead of test, the screen will remain static. Now I will execute the program. Export Flask app is equal to base.py Flask. Yes, backend server started successfully. Now npm start. My username is test and password is test, so we will check it by right answer instead of wrong answer. So here I will check with the right answer. So it is allowing to log in, it is saying that change the password. Nice. And if I log out, then screen is displayed, and if I enter wrong password, the screen remains as it is, and if I enter correct password, yes, it is login. We can check it is login. Now log out, screen comes. So I successfully done with login authentication using Flask with ReactJS. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will be back with more and more creative videos on Flask with ReactJS. If possible, Node with ReactJS. If possible, Stack, full stack using Flask with MySQL, or using Node.js and ReactJS with Stack and full stack. If possible, Flask with MongoDB. So keep watching my videos on youtube.com. Thanks for watching.